Hi there, how are we all doing today? Got a lovely nice bike here, and it's mine, one of my bikes, Specialized Kenevo. As you can see, it's got the Fox 40s up front and running on Michelin tyres. We've got the DH22s at the front and the DH16s at the rear. And we've got the Magura brakes, and we're running AliExpress discs. We've been doing a demo with the discs at Dovey to see how good they'll last. We're on the Hope Fortis wheels. Going up to the Cockpit. Don't laugh at my bell, but there's a reason why I have the bell. Because if you can see the scratches on the bell, it protects my remote control here when I have it upside down, because I take my front wheel off every time. We've got some AliExpress handlebars on at the moment. What looks good. I always ride high rise bars. We've got a nice sticker kit at my angry face on the front, Specialized. So I use my brakes quite, I'm not that bothered about it, so keen. As you can see, they go straight to handlebars. That's just how I like them. I don't like them keen. I just like them to slow me down a little bit. I'm a big heavy lad, but I'm not into braking much. And then going along, I normally have the Petey's little bag on there where I put my keys. We've got an X2 shock, maxed up 300 psi. I'm a big heavy lad. Going along, we've got the Pro Guard mud guard. Works well, to be honest. Doesn't keep your back that dry, but it keeps all near your motor and all nice and dry. Back again, we've got well, this is my Dovey wheel set actually, and this is Hope with the Hope Pro 5 hub Fortis wheel, but this is tubeless with inserts for Dovey on my DH16. As you can see, it's a wedge knobble, so it's faster rolling, but it's very tacky as well. So you've got a bit really good tackiness, but fast rolling. On the back again, the Magura 7s, again with the Ali discs. £2 they cost their disc, but they ordered me at Dovey Bike Park very easily. And then onto the Drivetrain, where I've got again the from AliExpress Shimano Link Glide derailleur, cassette and chain. Hope pedals, Hope cranks. It's the original dropper post. You can see it, it's 5 years old, this bike, and it still works very well. I've had 3 motors in it, but it really only needed 2. No issue with the battery at all, original battery. I have had 2 new frames, once when the shock broke back in the day, and then I had it slightly peeling away here, but literally a week later I had a new frame and new motor put in. So I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is my Kenevo.